On January 30th, 2022, officers were dispatched to a property in response to a physical disturbance. The caller reported being beat up by his girlfriend, who, purportedly in response to allegations of infidelity, threw his clothes out and broke a window on the property.
All I know so far is they're arguing. He's saying that she beat on him, but he's got no marks on her.
Who is she?
I guess the wife. I haven't gone upstairs yet. Sir, is she your wife?
No.
Who is she?
My girlfriend.
Girlfriend. All right.
And you can tell in this part here, guys, that he didn't even want to say how she punched on him. And this is why a lot of men won't even report these type of incidents.
When she was throwing things at you and all of that, like, did she get physical with you at all? You point to your eye.
I mean, I can take a punch.
So are you saying she punched you? I'm just trying to figure out what I'm dealing with.
She hit me a lot.
Okay, let me see your face.
Oh, my face is fine.
No, I want to see your face.
This is not the first time, guys. She's hit me numerous times.
Was it a punch or a slap or what was it?
No, she just gets violent and I won't deal with it, so I lock myself in the other room. Because when she started breaking out windows and doors, I run from her.
And you were there in this room? How do we get up there?
Walk up there.
Oh yes, guys, after she gave this man a couple rights and lefts of punches, she decided to go break the freaking window at the rental property that they're staying at.
Take a picture of that, Yep. Tori, it's the US Police. Hey. Hi, can you step out and talk to us?
Yes.
Do you want to, so did anything happen?
He's just an asshole.
Okay, well, what happened?
Well, he went to a strip club and was trying to cheat on me, and I caught him, so I got mad at him.
Okay, well, what happened when you got mad at him?
I threw everything out the window.
Okay.
If you're gonna hide in a room downstairs and you can't sleep with me, then you know you're guilty. So yeah.
Okay.
I'm just pissed. He didn't touch me, do anything, but he tried to cheat on me. It's my shit. Caught him in the act, so that's it.
Okay, did you touch him at all?
Yeah, I did slap him.
You did?
Across the face, yeah.
Okay. All right, 10:15. Yep. I'll put your hands on your back.
How long am I gonna be in jail?
Probably until noon.
Really?
Yeah. Do you need some shoes?
Y'all are gonna arrest me?
We have to, it's domestic. Do you have shoes that you want?
No, I'm not gonna f***ing relax. Because you're gonna f***ing take me to jail, really? Because you're gonna
Get her
cheat
some
on
shoes?
Yeah.
You've been asleep.
I'll go to jail.
No. I'm going to jail. So f*** you.
Do you have a jacket in here you want?
You know what? Whatever y'all want to do. Ridiculous.
If you want a jacket, tell me.
If a dude's gonna f***ing try to cheat on me and it's my f***ing fault,
Do you want a jacket?
no, I don't want a f***ing jacket. I'll walk around the street naked.
At least she didn't lie that her boyfriend touched her. Things would have gone south really quickly if she had done that. To be honest, I don't even know how the cops believed the man. The law, as you all know, doesn't work like that. Maybe the man had a camera or something. If the law has changed and we have real equality, then we are heading in the right direction.
So you didn't do anything wrong here?
I don't feel like I did, no. I mean, he took, my love and the vows that I made to him when we got married and totally tromped all over that for the first year of our marriage. Disrespected me, disrespected my home, disrespected our marriage.
Okay, I understand why you feel justified for putting him in jail. I'm just asking if you ran a red light in putting him in jail. Did you make statements that weren't true?
I may have said that there was punching or hitting, and there was not that to my recollection.
Well,
recollection,
you
but there was.
maybe say it. You either said it or you didn't. You either said he hit me and punched me, or you didn't. Did you say?
I did.
You did.
I did.
And did he hit you and punch you?
No.
Okay.
Not to my recollection.
You knew it wasn't true when you said it, though. I mean, let's be honest.
Yes.
You knew it wasn't true when you said it, right?
Yes.
So you made a conscious decision to embellish the story.
Yes.
And that's a lie. I'm not saying this isn't the biggest creep in the world and you shouldn't divorce him before dark today. I'm not saying that. And I'm not saying that he's not mentally abusive, emotionally abusive, verbally abusive, and even physically abusive. He may deserve to be under the jail. Whatever. I'm not saying that you should put up with that at all under any theory whatsoever. What I'm asking you is, did you or did you not file a false police report when you said that he punched you and hit you, and you knew at the time that he did not?
Yes.
Okay, so this is a long way of coming around to saying, yeah, I lied to the police and got put in jail.
A local attorney is breathing a huge sigh of relief tonight, using his own investigative instincts to clear his name of serious criminal charges that would have likely ended his legal career. Dan Levy is live in the newsroom with more. Dan.
Elaine, William Conboy III is a former prosecutor in the Albany County District Attorney's Office. Last year, he was arrested and charged with kicking, choking, and beating his wife, 33-year-old Kelly Conboy. But using his own cell phone, William Conboy was able to turn the tables on his wife. They were allegations that turned William Conboy's life upside down. A respected young Albany attorney who all of a sudden was facing charges filed by his own wife, Kelly, that he was beating her right here inside the couple's house.
Everybody who knew him knew this wasn't, true, but what? No one else did, because you pick up the paper. He's on the front of the local section. He's a batterer. It's this. It's horrible. He went through hell.
As a young prosecutor, William Conboy knew he had been placed in a very tough position of being forced to prove a negative. In other words, he had to prove that something did not happen. But that's when he took out his cell phone and called his wife.
I want you to know what's going to happen.
Okay.
If you are not out tonight with all of your I will call the Albany Police Department and say that you beat me and get an order of protection next week against you.
Are you going to make something up that I hit you?
Yeah. Without a doubt.
Why would you do that, Kel?
Why would I do that? To get you the out of the house. That's why.
As it turns out, the tape recordings were more than enough for Bill Conboy to be cleared of all charges here at Albany City Court. What no one will ever know, however, is what would have happened to him if the recordings were never made.
His law license was in danger. Professional Standards was investigating. Thank God that's over. I mean, not only has he been shown to be not guilty, he's been proven to be innocent. Everybody knows it now.
Neither Kelly Conboy, who works as legislative director for State Senator Neil Breslin, nor her attorney returned our phone messages today. According to Cheryl Coleman, William Conboy has no intention of pursuing criminal charges against his wife, even though that might not be his decision. I spoke to the Albany DA's office just a little while ago, and they tell me it's not their decision either. Conboy used to work at that office, and so the case has been handed over to a special prosecutor. We will keep you posted. Live in the newsroom, Dan Levy, News Channel 13. Elaine?
Okay, thank you, Dan.
This is the law I'm familiar with. Believe the woman and arrest the man. Guilty until proven innocent. We really need equality in today's world. Women have too much power that can make them ruin a man's life in seconds. Feminism isn't about gender equality. No, it is solely for women and women alone. There is absolutely zero benefit for men from modern feminism. I stress modern feminism because it is a racially weaponized version of traditional feminism. There is no place for men in a world run by modern feminists, except in a role as slave labor. I know that this is a very unpopular fact, but modern feminists have made it clear that they don't want or need men, and have actively sought to demonize men in every way they can. Men cannot do anything right for a modern feminist, except to serve them as a pocketbook and a caretaker for any children that may or may not exist. If you don't believe me, then why are women allowed and encouraged to falsely accuse men of horrible acts and get away with it without any consequences? Why is it acceptable for women to berate men for anything they want, but a man cannot even remotely criticize a woman even in the slightest? A woman can hit a man, but if he retaliates, he should go to jail. Bullshit. I'm really pissed at the law. Nothing can be done. Guys, always carry a body camera, just to be safe. It's cheap. Always record your conversations with women. That will be all for today. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons, and also click on the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop a new video. If you find value in my videos, you can show your support through PayPal or Cash App. The links are in the description. See you next time. Cheers.